Alright, I've got a 2018 Nissan Altima here. I'm going to be replacing these battery terminals on here, and it's a pretty simple video, but finding the exact terminal connectors to match was kind of time consuming, so I'm going to show you what I got here. And I'd looked through several, and there was cheaper options. These were like $20, but these matched, these aftermarkets matched the OEM the best, and they even look galvanized. Now the ones I've got on there are really corroded, and these are EDS. And like I said, I just liked these because they looked the most like the original. Alright, so you can see how corroded these are here. Now the bad thing about this is that these bad terminals can cause a lot of issues, so you definitely want to get this taken care of if yours look like this. And not to mention that they can leave you stranded somewhere, and I've had one do that before. My negative here is broken. This is completely broken, so can't even tighten this one. We're going to take this nuts as a 13. Now we'll go ahead and get our positive. I believe this is a 13. Maybe a 12. Okay, so this one is a 12. You see how that just came off of there, so I couldn't even tighten this one. So it's just a problem waiting to happen. So there we have that one. So we got our nice new galvanized terminal, and we got a new nut. Now before I put that on there, I'm going to put a little bit of medium Loctite out of precaution. Like I said, the one time that I about got stranded was because of one of these coming loose, so just out of precaution. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get our other one. So it fits on there perfectly. And now they're both 12 millimeters instead of being different sizes. You don't want to over tighten these. Once you get it nice and snug, just kind of quick, because you can actually stretch it. I'm just using a small ratchet. That right there is plenty good. I'll go ahead and get our negative. So these are well worth the $20. I know there's cheaper options, but these are well worth it to have it back to like OEM. So those look really nice, and these are going to prevent any future problems. And like I said, I'll leave the links to these. Alright, we'll go ahead and test this out using the remote start, make sure everything's working. Alright, so hopefully this can help someone else out. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.